protest against the centre's new farm laws looks set to intensify further as more farmers are expected to join the ongoing agitation at Delhi's border points to press for their demands. As per media reports, over 2,000 women from the families of those protesting at the SINGHU border are likely to join the demonstration in the coming days. A large number of bombs recovered by Imphal West Commando and Army from various locations under Mayang Imphal Police Station in 2009 were disposed of yesterday at the Manipur Police Firing Range located at Pangai in Imphal. The explosives were defused by a team of Manipur Police Bomb Disposal Squad under the supervision of SDPO Mayang Imphal AK Shanti Kumar. Today is the 267th day since India implemented a nationwide lockdown to help curb the novel coronavirus pandemic. So far, India has recorded 99,06,165 confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 1,43,709 deaths. A media report said a total of 94,22,636 patients have recovered as per the latest data from the Union Health Ministry. In a bid to facilitate secularization of education, the Assam government is set to abolish the MADRASA board. The Assam government has also planned to make certain changes in the current MADRASA setup. The policy of 50 marks given for Quran in examination is also set to be dropped. Assam Education Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma stated that 90% of the MADRASA curriculum is based on modern studies except 10% which has theological teachings. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) is strengthening its radar network in the northeast and along the Himalayas. According to media reports, 2 more radars are likely to be set up along the Himalayan range in India within a month, which will add to the 3 other radars that are already deployed. UPPL President PRAMOD BORO was sworn in today as the new Chief of Boroland Territorial Council (BTC), while former NDFB leader GOBINDA BASUMATARY took oath as the Deputy Chief of the BTC at the swearing-in ceremony in Kokrajhar. A media report said that the new council has been formed by the United People's Party Liberal (UPPL), Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), and Kokrajhar MP Nabha Sarania-led Gana Suraksha Party (GSP). Amid fanfare, the much-anticipated TUILANG football tournament has kicked off today at TUILANG in T. Waichung village under Kangpokpi district. 44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter 22 Sector Assam Rifles is promoting fitness and wellness in Kangpokpi district by organizing such tournament. This tournament will continue till December 19.